Prop yourself up. Whenever you permit yourself to think what persons, things, conditions, or circumstances may suggest, you are not following what you want to think. You are not following your own desires, but borrowed desires. Use your imagination in determining what you want to think or do. Christian D. Larson, 1874 to 1962, New Thought author. When using the creation process, use all the props you can to generate the feeling that you have what you want already. Surround yourself with items of clothing, pictures, photographs, and relevant objects so you can imagine and feel the feelings of having what you want. If you want new clothes, make sure you have space in your wardrobe with empty clothes hangers ready for your new clothes. If you want to bring more money into your life, does your wallet have space for the money, or is it full of irrelevant bits of paper? If you want the perfect partner, you must imagine and feel that the person is with you now. Are you sleeping in the middle of your bed, or are you sleeping on one side because your partner is on the other side of your bed? If your partner were with you now, you would be using only half the space in your wardrobe because your partner's clothes would be in the other half of the wardrobe. Do you set your table for two people or one person? Just putting out an extra place in something you can easily do. Do your best not to contradict your desire in your day-to-day actions, and instead use the world of props that surround you to feel as though you have what you want. These are simple little things you can do with props and your imagination, but they are incredibly powerful. One woman used props and her imagination to receive a horse. She had wanted a horse all her life, but she could not afford to buy one. She wanted a chestnut Morgan gelding, and a Morgan would cost thousands and thousands of dollars. So she imagined seeing the exact horse she wanted each time she looked outside her kitchen window. She put a picture of a chestnut Morgan horse on the screen of her laptop computer. Whenever she had the opportunity, she doodled drawings of the horse. She began looking at horses for sale, even though she couldn't afford them. She took her children to a store and together they tried on riding boots. She looked at saddles. She bought the only thing she could afford, a horse blanket, lead, and horse brushes, and she kept them on display so she could see them every day. Sometime later, the woman went to a horse expo in her town. A raffle was being held at the expo, and the first prize was a chestnut Morgan gelding, the exact same horse she had been imagining. And of course, she won the raffle and received her horse. This is one of the very powerful ways of imagination is using props. I don't remember the name of the movie, but it's an actual movie about a guy who used to dream about getting an Olympic medal. So he forged a medal from somewhere, got a certificate, and used all the props possible to get and show that he's won an Olympic medal. And the way he actually wins the medal is crazy. He has no talent, no skill. but he enrolls himself into some ski jumping, wherein there is nobody in that category somehow in an Olympic. It's a real life story. He breaks his leg during the practice and everything, but he's so committed. And since childhood, he has been collecting all these props, and he actually wins an Olympic gold. You know, a lot of people, a lot of students use these props for admissions. For example, if you have an admission to get into Harvard, buy a Harvard t-shirt, start wearing it, buy a Harvard cap, Harvard mug. People do it. If you see people's real stories, they used to do these things. And that's how they were, they used to attract that Harvard or the Stanford or the Oxford. They've been using props like this. A lot of students are doing it. So this is a good way for your kids to, use these props. I'll share a very small example. Mishan wanted to buy a PS5. Okay. And he came to me, can you buy me a PS5 on my birthday? I said, no, nothing doing. It's too expensive, way beyond my budget. He said, what is your budget? मैंने कहा, my budget is 10-15-20,000. इससे ऊपर नहीं मैं कुछ कर सकता. But this is also on the higher side. He got very disappointed. मैंने कहा, अच्छा. Then I called him. I said, why are you so disappointed? मैं PS5 नहीं आएगी. मैंने कहा, who said you can't buy a PS5? I said, I will not buy you for a birthday, but you can collect money. जनाब जी ने 6 महीने he collected. He used to get 1,000 rupees a week from my father, his grandfather, as pocket money. He kept collecting. He made a PlayStation ka manifestation with him. He bought PlayStation ki t-shirt, everything. And every month he used to come, calculate the money and revise कि मैंने ये करना है, मेरे को ऐसे ऐसे पैसे आएंगे. And he made a full plan to buy a PS5 for himself. And it was very interesting that even if I used to tell ki Sanvi is ordering something from Amazon, do you want anything? His question was, how much is it for? I said, about 500. You give me 500 rupees cash. I'm collecting money. He eventually collected money and bought it on his birthday. But 4 महीने इतनी patience रखी है उसने. He didn't spend a penny of what he was earning. He said, no, I don't care. I don't want to spend on clothes. I don't want to spend on anything. I want to collect each and every penny. And I, after 2 months, I said, Mishan, मुझे ना लग नहीं रहा तेरी PS5. आपको कैसे पता? मैं तो देख भी चुका हूँ अपने आप को. I'm using it. I've imagined the whole thing in my mind so many times that it's there. It's just a matter of time. He told me this dialogue. And I was like, कमाल है यार, ये तो बंदा change हो गया. So, and when he went and bought that PS5, he had such a different, very interesting. PS5 मिल नहीं रही थी, तो somehow हमें मिल गई. That was first week of November. And that was 10 days for his birthday. मैंने कहा, I am not opening it before the birthday. He says, नहीं ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल होगा फिर. मैंने कहा, then you have to control. And he controlled. He said, you give me 1 hour before my birthday because it'll take me 1 hour to set up, because मैंने सारा देखा हुआ है. Initial setup takes 1 hour 20 minutes. So you give me 1 hour 20 minutes earlier, I'll play my first game at 12. So 10:40 I gave him his birthday gift, and exact 12 बजने में 5 मिनट पहले he was ready कि now I'm ready to play my first game. मतलब उसने YouTube वीडियोस से अनबॉक्सिंग के पूरे वीडियोस चाटे हुए थे कि अनबॉक्सिंग को इतना टाइम लगता है, मुझे इतना टाइम चाहिए. So, start working with the kids with props. Whatever they want, encourage it. Get them involved. Get them into props. Getting admission into a Harvard, if that is one of anybody's dream, buy a Harvard t-shirt. You can get it online. Buy a Harvard mug, Harvard cap, or Oxford stand. Whatever is it. Whatever is what your kid wants, get it for them. Start making use of props with them. They'll really enjoy it, and you'll enjoy the process. Kids are so creative, it's unbelievable.
Arjun, Natanya has a sharing regarding the same.
Yeah. Hi, Natalia.
Hi. So 2 days back, I had a tooth pain, and I thought I was going to get a root canal. So my mama said that think positive, think that nothing's going to happen, think it's very easy. And I went to the doctor. It was very easy. She only had to paint my tooth.
Very nice.
Because what did you do for 2 days?
I thought positive that it's just good. It's going to be very easy. She just has to fill my tooth.
So for 2 nights, right before Arjun, 5 minutes before going to bed, she would think it's going to be super easy. She's not going to do anything. She'll just say, "Oh, there's nothing there. It's absolutely fine." For 2 nights, otherwise, first day when she had that pain, she said, "There's going to be a root canal." But today was a very happy day for her when the doctor said
Great,
it's
great.
absolutely fine.
So, Tanya, you can use this knowledge for everything, for studies, everything. If you think it's easy, it's going to be easy. Everything is a cakewalk.
Yeah.
Great.
You want to go now?
So involve the kids in all these activities. It's absolute fun. When they start talking, I mean, I don't know, but somehow I feel good when all my kids, they say so many thank yous. मतलब जब वो PS5 आई है, मेरे कान वो लाइक भैया बस कर, इतना थैंक यू हो गया, अब तो हो गया, पूरा हो गया, कोटा पूरा हो गया थैंक यू का. But he kept on, thank you, thank you. So he had his own excitement, but yeah, to manage to, save 45,000 for a kid who is 11, I never thought it was possible. Halaki, I sat with him to make the plan. Ki, Bhaiya, it is possible. If you want, you can buy it. I can help you with it. So he started with pocket money. You know what he did for Rakhi? He went up to all his sisters. Please don't give me any of those gifts and hampers. I am only taking cash this time. So, he had it very, very clear कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. So interesting. Your senses are props too. So use all your senses to help you feel that you have what you want. Feel the touch of what you want with your skin. Taste it, smell it, see it, and hear it. Use all your sensory perceptions in terms of all processes of creations. All our senses which we have, to see, to smell, to taste, to hear, to touch, they are the only inputs for the body. It is only through the eyes we can see. It is only through the mouth we can taste. It's only through the nose we can smell. And it is only through the ears we can hear, and only through the skin we can feel the touch. So your 5 senses, sensory organs or sensory perceptions, are your basic tools for creation, and they are basic inputs. So जहां जहां आप उसको input दोगे, वही input brain को feed होती है. So if you control, or if you get a hold on all these 5, that is basically when you are consciously in the awareness. Because जब जितने भी senses हैं, if they are working the way we want them to work, that is the state of being consciously aware, in the true awareness. One man worked with all his senses to bring himself multiple job offers. He had applied for 75 positions over 3 years and had not received a single job offer. But then he used his imagination and all his senses to imagine he had his dream job. He imagined every detail in his new office. He touched the keys of his computers in his imagination. He smelled the lemon scent of the furniture polish on his new huge mahogany desk. He imagined his work colleagues. He gave them names. He had conversations with them. He had meetings with them. He even tasted the tacos at lunch breaks. 7 weeks later, he began receiving requests for interviews, then requests for second interviews poured in. Then he received not only one fantastic job offer, but two. He accepted the job he loved the most. It was his dream job. Know that when you have completed your part in the creation process, creation is done. You are no longer in the old world where you didn't have what you wanted. You have moved into a new world that contains the very thing you want. Even if you can't see it yet, know that you will receive it. I think we should read the points tomorrow. That will be better so that we can refresh the chapter once the next chapter starts. So anybody has any questions, any doubts as of now to what we've read?
I just wanted to, when Hima's daughter talked about the medical thing, I just remembered, I thought I'll share about that, the placebo effect where
Yeah.
where the doctor gives you just a
good
saline
point.
injection and suddenly the patient says, oh, I'm already feeling better, not knowing that it was really no treatment. So somewhere, something to, validate the point that it's the mind that is tricked into, I mean, if you can have that thought already in your mind that you're feeling you are okay, then
Yeah, it's all in the mind.
Problem, I think.
I think Arjun can.
I got onto Ruchi's phone and she just ran
Give him a
away.
minute.
She was crying. So she took the phone away. Is it better now? I did not hear what you said. We were talking about the placebo and the mind. Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not a question. It was just the sharing of the power of the mind, basically, of the placebo effect, right?
Yeah. Everything, that's what I'm saying, the creation starts in the mind. हर एक चीज का जो creation है वो mind ने करना है. तो जब mind हमारे control में आ जाता है, so that is where things go the way we want. It's always said, don't let your mind be your supreme. Let it be the slave it was meant to be. Am I audible? I guess I'm having some issues with the internet today. कहीं ना कहीं इसके शुक्राने कम लग रहे हैं. आज करते हैं. Yeah.
That book, Power of Subconscious Mind, very, very, very good book. Arjun, I'm sure you'd like to say a few more words about it.
Joseph Murphy.
Yeah,
One of
Joseph
the
Murphy.
best books on subconscious mind, basic and the best.
And it tells you, how easily he's explained with examples that how it works.
Yeah, it's a nice book.
It's a nice book, Power of a Subconscious Mind. But also he's mentioned not only subconscious mind, consciously bhi sab kuch he's telling, no, he's giving examples why consciously you're doing stuff and how it's happening.
No, it's a very good book. I read it long time back. मुझे काफी तो याद है, but हाँ, it's been long now.
Yeah, I read it again. I took it out पीछे.
And it's very important to get back to books again. First
Hmm.
time जो समझ आता है, जो second आता है, जो third आता है ना, they're altogether different.
Especially अगर पढ़ो अभी after the course ना, then you can relate to it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I have a very basic question. How does it work? I mean, you stay positive and positive things happen to you, but how? I mean, fine. It's one thing is creating space in your closet for new clothes, or I have to, if I want a new car, then I should make space out of the 2 garage parkings I have and make one, sell off one, or sell both. I don't know. I can't quit my job if I want a better job, right? And make space for it. That was on a lighter note. But all I'm trying to say is that, fine, what happens? You're attracting positive things by removing the negative, and then everything falls into place. What's the gap? What am I missing? What happens when you just stop being negative and you're more positive? But then how do you get that whatever that you want? I mean, I've not really understood what the magic is. God gives it to you. What
No.
happens?
You work for it. You create the atmosphere, the surroundings, the frequency, and the vibration for that particular thing, for that you have the desire for.
Okay, then how does it come to you after that? Because you welcomed it basically with the red carpet, right?
How does it come to you? The universe gets it to you.
So that's the magic which one needs to wait for, really speaking.
Then you'll keep waiting. Wait nahi karna.
No, so you
You are
have to
imagining you
create-
already have it. It's going to come. It's just a matter of some time. That's it. Having that thought that I'm
Okay.
waiting
is
it's
also
like
pushing it further away.
it's like I am waiting for this, and God says, "Tathastu, keep waiting."
Keep waiting. Yeah, I get what you're saying. Okay.
So you are creating a feeling in yourself and around yourself which is conducive for that particular desire. अगर पार्टी करनी है और मजा करना है, माहौल तो बनाना पड़ेगा ना. So you're creating that mahal for that fun. Like if you want to have fun, you'll have to go to the booze shop and buy the booze, na, जो दोस्त आके पियेंगे तेरे पास. So you're creating that feeling, na. You're creating that surrounding which will give you that frequency and the vibration that the thing is already there. And then the thing also knows कि हाँ यार, यहाँ तो सब set है, यहाँ जाके बैठ जाते हैं.
So basically, believing is the new seeing and having. Believing, not thinking, right? Believing.
Feeling. Not
Feeling
even
and
believing,
believing,
not
right?
even thinking. Feeling
The
that you have.
new conscious, yeah, the new energy. Believing is seeing, right?
Because feeling is the energy or the input of the soul. That is the supreme. Body or mind, uske saath attached hai. If you remove the soul, nothing is there in the body, nothing is there in the mind. So the true feeling or the actual feeling is the feeling of the soul. So that is why when you feel it, उस frequency में जब आप feel करते हो और उस emotion को feel करते हो, that is creating the supreme power. Anything else? Om, do you want, is it clear or do you want me to give more examples?
No, I have to see it happen. I'm too logical a person to not try it. So I'm gonna try it, and then when it happens, then I'll continue to do it.
पहली चीज तेरे को ये क्लियर हो
Thank
गया
you.
ना कि तेरे को चाहिए क्या? What are your desires should be clear first.
Correct. That is something that I'm working on to figure out what I really want. वही सबसे tough part.
That is
We're
half the
so
battle
lost
won.
in other things that we
Half the
forget
battle
ourselves only,
won
you know.
is, when I'll tell you my recent example, day before yesterday, I got up in the morning, 6 o'clock, and I wanted to do so many things, book bhi padhni, ye bhi karna. I was so confused कि what is it, मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ? मैं एक बुक उठा रहा हूँ, 5 पेज पढ़ रहा हूँ, बुक रख रहा हूँ. My mind was so fidgety, I don't know what was happening. And I was in a premise of total confusion from 6:30 or 7 o'clock to about 9:30. मतलब मैंने हार के ना कंप्यूटर बंद किया, आईपैड बंद किया, यार let it be. I don't know what is happening, but there is too much confusion right now. I need to relax. I closed everything, went on for a bath and everything, and I am having my breakfast. Your message pops up, which you send in that group, na? मेरा instant spark आ गया, भैया तेरी confusion है, तेरे को clarity चाहिए, तो तू decide करेगा ना क्या करना है तुझे. मतलब 3 hours of confusion, 3.5 hours of confusion कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मेरे किसी बुक में मन नहीं लग रहा है, and what is happening with me. And your message came, I got boosted up, then I realized it is my ego which is being boosted up, but yeah, then I got a clear sense of direction. And surprisingly, so many good news came in that day before yesterday or yesterday, I don't know whichever it was. I was like, अच्छा ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया, कमाल है, आज दिन बड़ा अच्छा हो गया. Which started with confusion, but then 3 hours I was struggling with that confusion, and I shut down my thing, everything. I said, let it be. I am getting into a negative zone. Let's switch. मैं बंद कर दिया. Things changed because the universe wanted it to change, and that's how I decided that I'll go to Bombay for this particular conference. It's about energy medicine and alternative healing modalities.
Yuvraj sir is also coming, no?
Yeah. So I was on the edge कि मैं जाऊं ना जाऊं, and then finally I said, nothing doing, man, I am going. I booked my tickets, paid for the event. That's it. So the universe guides you. You need to be receptive. माहौल हमें बनाना पड़ेगा, universe अपने आप कराएगी. Have faith.
Start with something small.
Start with something small. Manifest a friend coming over. Manifest a blue butterfly. Anything. उससे confidence बढ़ता है.
Okay, I
Believe
tried
it.
this butterfly thing. I tried it and it worked. I asked for it 2 nights ago and it flew by the car, passed by the car when we were driving somewhere. I don't know where we were driving. And I saw the exact same butterfly that I thought, the tiger butterfly, monarch butterfly.
Manifest a rainbow, anything.
I did
will
it.
come.
Yeah.
It'll come. Start small because small से confidence बढ़ता है. चलो. Without taking much time, let's do this exercise. It's a wonderful guided love prayer meditation.